Doesn't make any sense to segment the market in the early stages of innovation when you don't have enough paying customers to cluster their data and recognize patterns. It's like training a machine learning model. 10 or 20 information or data are not enough. And so you need to get out of your office and find the first 50, 100 or 1,000 paying customers for different applications of your invention, so you can collect a lot of data that you can analyze and segment. Customer segmentation is a result of translating the process of subconscious buying decisions into data and data networks. So you can reverse engineer and target people with higher closing rates. Those data could be demographic, psychographic, geographic, or behavioral, and that's what online websites try to collect about us through profile data, IP addresses, hashtags of the videos and photos we like, as well as the scrolling and purchasing behavior on landing pages. The aim of that is to show us relevant ads that lead to purchasing decisions. One of my favorite examples to illustrate that is the lookalike audience that Facebook builds for you after running an ad campaign for a couple of days. Via the collected data about people who have clicked on the ad and bought, Facebook algorithm recognizes some patterns like having specific age or following the same Facebook pages or liking the same kind of content. In other words, Facebook builds a persona based on paying customers' data and then reach out proactively to potential buyers. And so you need to do by talking to existing customers if you are inside a corporation, present the invention even at fairs and events to people from different companies and industries, and you will be surprised with the suggested applications for your invention and the customers who are willing to finance and pre-buy the innovation. It could sound counterproductive since we were taught that we should focus in business on customer segment. Yet having a new invention could be a good opportunity to start broad so you can discover new inventions and amazing applications to expand your product portfolio. At the beginning, be open to collect a lot of data so you can later on segment them. Customer segmentations allows you to optimize the pricing, distributions and sales channels, competitive advantages and marketing strategies for each customer segment. Don't let a product with different customer segments mislead you. Treat those as little subsidiaries and try to separate product development, and especially marketing and sales teams if you have enough profit margin to afford it. Don't worry, it will pay off later. The early stages of innovation are full of hesitance, of uncertainties. Just move on so fast and collect data as much as you can so you can optimize and fine-tune your customer segmentations. And if you don't get surprised with unexpected customer segmentations or unexpected industries you can serve, this is a sign that you didn't reach out to enough people from different industries to discover new applications. Remember that customer segmentations comes from the market and not from our hypotheses with our colleagues in our offices with some colorful post-its. So don't forget to focus on the invention part and to delegate the customer segmentation to the paying customers' data, which are delivered by the market to turn your invention into innovation, into profit generation machine. I hope you get value from this video. If you like such content about transforming inventions into innovations, feel free to subscribe. This is Walid. Ciao.